Where are we, Ellie?
We are at Spencer Hot. I think it's called Spencer Hot Springs.
I thought Austin.
It's near Austin, Nevada.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we're at this little natural hot spring right up here. We're gonna go for a dip. We'll show you what it looks like. It's really cool. Last night there were burros that came up to it for a drink. They're so cute.
So cute. There was like 4 or 5 of them. And lots of jackrabbits.
Doesn't that look amazing? Over there you can see where the water comes out. So is clothing optional here? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Maybe.
There's another little pool down here that's not really being used. It used to fill up with water, but they just stopped, stopped the water flow from going. This is where the well is, or the spring, I mean. You can't really see it. So this is where the spring actually is, but they have it all boxed in. Danger, hot water. Water from natural hot springs may be scalding. Yeah, it was kind of scalding today. So, we're all about the free camp spots. And this place is totally free, including the hot springs. There's no one here that regulates it or anything like that. You can just come in, park. You can park pretty close to these things. There's a guy camped just right over there. We're just down the way. I mean, it's like 100 yards away. So we're really close too. And there's a couple different hot springs here. It's pretty isolated, Can't fly a drone here because there's military bases like all around. As a matter of fact, there's a little bunker up on the hill over there. We're kind of thinking about moving the bread truck up there to camp for the night. Like park in the bunker. I think it'll be a cool little spot. But yeah, I love it here. It's really cool. It's much cooler. It was like 20 degrees cooler here than in Vegas, so that's nice. Vegas is really hot.
There's tons of parking and tons of room here, so.
Yeah, it's not a very busy spot at all. Tons of
Well, it's just spread out, so
yeah.
You feel pretty alone here.
Yeah, there's definitely a little sense of peace here, Yeah. It's really cool. So the place that we're thinking about going is just beyond the bread truck. You see up there on the side of the hill, there's like a military looking bunker. And we're thinking about moving up there. We decided to move the truck. We're gonna go up to the little bunker area up there, so we're gonna move it right now. Maybe we should just not go up there. Okay. Let's go check on stuff. Oh, I don't have enough brakes to hold it. Okay, there we go. That's good.
That was fun trying one.
We could do it, but I don't know. Cool view from up here.
It
So it was a little rocky.
is. Just a little bit.
I don't mean like rocks. I mean it was rocking, you know, coming up this side.
Let's just say some things fell off the shelf.
A few things.
Just a one or two.
Just a little bit. But the bread truck's right there. But I'm gonna back it out. And there's another road that is on this side that looks much better. So we're gonna back it out and come back up the opposite side. But we're gonna make it up here. It's gonna be cool.
I keep waiting for the bread truck just to start
Rolling.
rolling.
Oh, I thought about that too. I'm like, oh, that could totally happen.
Really?
Totally.
Great.
It's not behind the back wheel though. There's a big rock, so it's got like a little. I might not be able to get back over
so
it.
we're
But
counting on that big rock.
yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah. It's not a four-wheel drive vehicle, guys. And you see, this is thing holding us from rolling down the hill. It's kind of perfect though, you know. You got a nice big. Yeah. Got a little block under our tire. But we're gonna roll it back down and go up the other way. I feel so defeated right now. Backing away like a coward. Yeah, we got this, no problem. Back in there?
That was kind of a little bit of a rough ride.
What
We didn't move very far, but all the things in the van moved pretty far.
What are you drinking? Only the best. We're doing pretty good on this bottle, actually. It's already halfway gone.
I didn't think that it would be a problem.
Yeah.
How's it taste?
Like fire. It's just hot, you know, like
Yeah.
you feel it warming you as it goes down.
Yeah.
Warming, poisoning, whatever. Same thing.
Haha. Polly just went out back to go pee. You guys should see his outfit. It's amazing. Polly, you want to show your viewers your outfit?
What outfit?
You gotta love Polly.
Do some dips real quick.
Ooh, look at those muscles. He's working on rewilding himself. Right
I'm
now.
rewilding myself, for sure.
He's an animal.
I've been, I like the idea of like tanning like out in the sun or just sunbathing to like increase, what is it, the vitamin D in your body, you know? And like all the areas of your body, the more sun they get, the more vitamin D, you know? So like, I learned this from your guy, the Rewilding guy.
Oh.
What's his name? The podcast guy.
What's his name? Something Vitalis.
Nick.
Daniel Vitalis.
Daniel Vitalis. He does that because he lives in a climate where it gets really cold in the winter, and he stays inside a lot. So when it's those months that are hot, he makes a point of it to get out in the sun and to absorb the sun and build as much vitamin D in his body as he can. You know, I think it's a really cool thing, something I really never considered before, but yeah, rewild yourself, man. We're animals. Gotta get back in nature.
Be cool like Polly.
Yeah,
Just get naked.
be totally naked. It's totally cool.
Yeah.
So on this GoPro, you can barely see it. This is all the way zoomed in, but right over there, in front of those campers, is a hot spring. And then on this side, to the left, you can barely see that either, but there's another hot spring right in there. And that's the one that we went to this morning and camped by last night.
I think there's maybe 5 or 6 here total.
Hey, baby. Want to wrestle?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll let you win and everything.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Such a gentleman.
What can I say? It's the right thing to do, you know? Might as well do a little YouTubing, huh?
Hey, Polly.
Hey,
How's bed feel?
feels pretty nice. I took a really nice naked nap on the ground outside, though.
You sure did. I don't even think I recorded any of that.
What?
I know. Can you believe it?
I can't believe it. I thought for sure there would be some video evidence. But no.
Yeah. I don't think so.
I could take another naked nap tomorrow.
Yeah. For everyone to see. There's a lot of nakedness today.
There was.
And there's definitely video evidence of some of it.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
But now you're in bed.
You know, though, that nap is not my normal thing. I don't normally nap. But it was booze-induced.
Yeah?
Booze-induced nap, yeah.
Did you accidentally drink an entire bottle of whiskey?
Half a bottle. Okay, here we go. I'll go to that side without walking.
Is it a little slippery?
A little bit.
I just wanted to video this so I can capture it when you wipe out.
I know that's what you're hoping for. Ain't gonna happen. This is our last day in Nevada. We're heading up to Idaho today, going up to Boise on our way to Canada. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. I just hit 6,000 subscribers, so I'm super stoked. Thank you for hitting all those buttons. And we'll see you next time. Oh, I hardly ever do an outro. You think this is an appropriate outro?